Hi there, another Match Attax pack opening battle. Again, we've got 4 regular packs, 1 sneak preview pack and 1 5-player packet. This time Tottenham playing Leicester today in the FA Cup, but they're playing each other midweek also in the Premier League. So let's have a Tottenham Leicester pack opening battle. So the first pack we've got, first regular pack, we've got Cameron Jerome and Ginkel, Britos, referee, Ben Foster, Martin Skirtle, Stephen Taylor, O'Shea, Joe Hart, and a Newcastle duo. So 0-0 in the early part of the game. And you've got Man United badge, Zuma, Sterling, Nye on the away kit, man of the match, and Tottenham there with a goal through Bentaleb. But immediately, just obviously straight after kick-off, we got Okazaki away kit there equalising for Leicester. And we've got Perez, Ayew, and again Tottenham with another goal with the Chadley man of the match card. So 2-1 to Tottenham. And then we've got an Everton badge, Affolai, Fernandinho, Krul, Blind, and Hugo Lloris with Tottenham's 3rd goal. Anita, Sanchez, Coleman, and the Chelsea midfield duo. 4th pack, we've got the Sunderland badge, Peters, Kelly, Gomez, Atsu, and Tottenham with a 4th goal through Son, Font, Clark, Bassong, and Villa, man of the match. Sneak preview pack, and here we've got Pedro, Tomlin, Fletcher, and Henderson bronze limited edition. And then the final pack, Leicester need a small miracle, but let's see if they get any chance of pulling one back. We've got Clark, and Leicester do pull one back through Drinkwater, Joshua King, man of the match, and Richie away kit. So the final score in today's pack opening, we've got Tottenham 4, Leicester 2, and we also got there the bronze Jordan Henderson limited edition LE5. Please like, subscribe, and check through all the other videos we've got.